oxygenated blood will reach where? It will reach your heart via pulmonary artery. PA stands for your pulmonary veins. Yeah, pulmonary veins. From pulmonary veins, where it will reach? Which part of the heart? Left atria. From left atria to left ventricle. From left ventricle to aorta. This is called as pulmonary circulation. Okay, what is systemic circulation? Between heart and body parts. All your entire body part is called systemic circulation. Understood, guys? Okay. So here we will see what will happen from the aorta. The blood will be pumped into arteries, right? From the arteries it will move into arterioles. Okay, what is arterioles? Branches of arteries is called arterioles. Okay, and these arteries will supply the blood via capillaries. Okay, through the capillaries the oxygenated blood will be supplied and the deoxygenated blood will be collected by veins. Very good, by veins. Okay, and these veins will again join to form vena cava. Yes or no? And this vena cava will reach where? Right atrium. Got it? Systemic and pulmonary circulation. See, pulmonary circulation means it is a circulation between lungs and heart. Okay, so the deoxygenated blood will pass through the pulmonary artery, it will reach the lungs. It is like a summary of your whole lesson. These two circulation is a summary of your whole lesson. Okay, so deoxygenated blood from where? From the right ventricle will be pumped into the pulmonary artery to the lungs. In the lungs it will get oxygenated. Again the oxygenated blood will reach the left atrium via pulmonary vein. Okay, and then it will reach the left ventricle and then aorta. This is called as pulmonary circulation. Pulmonology means study of lungs. Okay, that is why we call it as pulmonary. Then you have systemic. Okay, systemic is between the heart and all your body parts. Okay, so it is like from aorta the blood will be supplied to arteries. The arteries will now separate into tiny blood vessels called arterioles. Okay, and arterioles now branch out into capillaries. Capillaries will supply blood to the tissue. Okay, now in the tissue there will be deoxygenated blood. Yes or no? That deoxygenated blood will be again collected by the veins. Okay, and these veins will join to form the vena cava. You have learnt superior and inferior vena cava, right? And then again it will reach the right atrium. Again it will go and continue the pulmonary circulation. Okay, so this is about circulation. Any other things that we have left out? Okay, fine. Now we will quickly have an introduction about respiration. What is respiration? What is respiration? Is respiration and breathing the same? No. What is respiration then? What is the difference between breathing and respiration? Breathing is simple exchange of gases, right? So breathing is exchange of gases. So we all take in which gas? We all take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This is called inhalation and this is called exhalation. Okay, this is breathing. Okay, then what is respiration? We have already done a chapter called respiration. What is respiration?